my shoes when I jump on the ground. Colors, colors everywhere in the sky and on my clothes. Colors, colors bright and bold, so many stories to be told. Orange like the pumpkin, big and so bright. Orange like the tiger with all of its might. Orange, orange, orange like the sun in the day. Orange like the carrot like I eat every day. Colors, colors everywhere in the sky and on my clothes. Colors, colors bright and bold, so many stories to be told. Yellow like sunshine, warm and so bright. Green like the grass where I play with all my might. Blue like the ocean, deep and so wide. Indigo like the night sky, full of stars to shine. Violet like a flower, purple and grand. Pink like bubblegum, I pop on my face. Colors, colors everywhere in the sky and on my clothes. Colors, colors bright and bold, so many stories to be told. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet and pink, all the colors of the